welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria. I'm the founder of The Way School of Life, and today we are going to do a quick hairstyle video. Actually, I washed my hair on Sunday and I've been thinking about what hairstyle I'm going to do, and today is already Thursday. I've been thinking and I wasn't able to find something till I decided to go on Pinterest and look at some hairstyles. In fact, I can link to you my Pinterest board where I have so many hairstyles there, like as inspiration. In fact, I'll add the link to the description, so just check in the description to see the link to my Pinterest board on hairstyles. So I decided to try one hairstyle. Let me just add an image. Yeah, this hairstyle that I want to try. It's cornrows. It's supposed to be very quick. So the first thing is that I have to loosen my hair. I love the scent. It smells amazing. When I was doing this for braids on my hair, I put shea butter, a special shea butter that I made with rosemary leaves, cloves, and hibiscus leaves. If you want the full recipe to my rosemary, cloves, and hibiscus butter, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. The video is available on my YouTube channel. Ta-da! So before going any further, for the purpose of this video, I want to show you all what I'm going to use. First, this fine tooth comb. If you want one like this, you can check out the description below. There is a link to my Amazon storefront where I share all the products that I use for my natural hair products and tools. And this is among, so you can purchase it there. I'm using this wax gel, but I don't know if you can find this one on Amazon though. There's my rosemary and cloves water that I may spray from time to time if there are any tangles. And this is my shea butter. It smells amazing. Rosemary, cloves, and hibiscus leaves. You can check the recipe on my YouTube channel. It's available there. I do not have a mirror, so what I'll do is I'll go in front of my mirror, I'll divide this part, and I'm coming back. Okay, so I'm done dividing my hair into different sections. I have 6 sections. I don't know if this one I should divide it into further too. Check out, this is my shea butter. So I'm gonna I don't know if I should put this. I'm gonna try, just look at the texture. You should definitely check out the recipe. You will love it. It just melts as soon as it's in contact with my skin. Look at it. I'm not combing my hair, as I said. This is my wax. You know what? I think I need a mirror, like a big mirror that I'm gonna use when I'm combing my hair like this, because when I'm braiding my hair like this or doing cornrows, because right now I am not even seeing what I'm doing, and I'm using my back camera. It's not even the selfie camera. As I was saying, I do not have a mirror, so I don't even know if the part is clean or straight. I have no idea. I am sure I should buy a mirror. Number 1, done. Okay, so now it's time for the second cornrow. I'm gonna do this one. So let me start with shea butter on my roots, then my wax. As I told you, I am not so fond of wax, but I just need it for my pattern to look better. Please do not judge me for the parts. I really do not even see what I'm doing. I do not have a mirror. I hope it turns out pretty well anyway. Here's cornrow number 1, cornrow number 2, and we still have 4 cornrows to do for a total of 6. So do not forget your wax with as much as is needed. I just feel like the wax makes it so easier for me to braid the hair because it's like slippery. The wax plus the oil, it makes it really easier for me to braid my hair. Okay, so here is the final result. Please let me know what you think about it. So compared to the Pinterest hairstyle, what is the mark that you would give to me on 10? Oh, okay, also please look at this. When I was starting my 30 days hair growth challenge, I did like a burn with my twists and it looked like it was too tight and it created this. It was bigger than this. Note that the rosemary closed all that kind of closed it up, but maybe I'm gonna try a special oil to see how it goes and how fast it makes it grow longer. If you want to see that, please subscribe to my channel just to see that video. Also, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please leave a comment to let me know what other hairstyles you would want me to try. And finally, please, if you enjoy my content, encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and stay safe. Bye bye.